Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a 5 minutes makeup tutorial for all the office going and college going girls and women out there. In the morning, I know we don't have time and we need to even look presentable, so here is the drill for you that will take you just 5 minutes and you will look your best. So if you want to know, so keep on watching. And this makeup look will be created using minimal products, and as you know, it's summers, so anyways you don't have to look too cakey and you don't have to put a lot of makeup which melts down. So we're gonna go with less products and natural look. Guys, she has moisturized her face completely. So the first thing we're using is the Lakme CC cream. So after the CC cream, we are going to use this compact powder to matte her face completely. So after the compact powder, we are going to use this Maybelline liner. After the liner, we are going to use this Maybelline Sensational Mascara. After the mascara, we are going to use this blush by Color Bar. It's very easy, it has a puff and you can just apply it in a minute. After the blush, I'm going to fill in her eyebrows using this Wet n Wild kit. After filling in her eyebrows, these are the two options for lipstick. This is the nude pink shade and this is the fuchsia pink shade. These are the two shades which can be used in daytime. So today, right now, I'm going to use this liquid matte lipstick by Nika K in the shade Turkish Rose. So guys, this is the final look which I've created on her in just 5 minutes using only 6 to 7 products. And this is a everyday makeup look which you can carry to office and to college. And if you like it, so please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until I meet you next time. Bye.